Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And in this video, I'm actually going to go over a really cool feature of Nadex on the charts that I just found. Maybe it's something new. I've never seen it before, so I'm going to go over what that is in this video. But first, make sure you check out my website, daytradingfearless.com, to sign up for the $99 lifetime subscription special for the weekly S&P E-mini trade zones. These are zones where I give you resistance, support, open gaps, and open VPOCs for the following week trading. You also, in the member section, will receive a 2-hour trade zone training video course where I teach you everything about the trade zones, how to draw them, so you could trade any stock, future, or cryptocurrency. And you also get the member section with all the resistance, support levels, and things like that to draw in any chart. So make sure you check it out. Links down below, but right back to the video. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump into Nadex. So to see this cool little feature, right, go to binary options, go to indices, right? You could do anything, whatever you trade. You guys know me, I trade the S&P E-mini futures, so I'm going to go to the daily chart, right? I'm going to just do an at the money right here. Okay, well, actually, let's do this one right at the money, and then we'll click markets to give us more real estate. We'll come over here to the bottom right to give us more real estate down here. So now we have a chart, right? Now, this gives us all of our strikes. If we left click the blue, it'll give us the buy, right, and enter a buy. If we do the red, it'll actually do it there. We could click here to go for the sell, meaning, hey, if you think it's going to stay below here, you could sell this for $20, where you have $20 max profit, $80 max risk. But as long as we stay below this level, then price is going to, you'll win, okay, by the time the option expires. But if we come over here, okay, and let's just do an at the money, okay, come up here in the upper right hand corner where my mouse is a little hamburger, left click that and click on switch to quick chart. What this quick chart does is it actually gives you the pricing of the contract that you're looking at. Right? So instead of trying to figure out, hey, well, if price retests the lows, how much will this contract be? Or if it retests the highs over here, how much will that contract be? Meaning, if I think price is coming all the way back up here, and I want to buy maybe when we're down here, okay, at $42, well, I know if we rally all the way back up to the high, what I paid $42 for will actually will actually now be worth $62, right? It just gives you a different view of how to see it. See, over here in the original view, I could sit there and go, okay, cool, if I buy this, but if it goes back to the lows, how much is this contract going to be worth? Before, I had to usually click on it, do the math, and go, okay, cool. Well, if I buy it for 53 and it goes lower or whatever to that target, it'll be 10 points or whatever. What this chart, the quick chart does is it just gives you the numbers right there, right? So if I do this contract, that's 66, and I go, hey, I think we're going to close below at whatever time, I know that if I sell this, right, and it does go lower, when it gets down here, okay, what's 57, okay, or sorry, 62, when it gets to 52, this will probably be worth whatever the number is, right? I don't want to make up numbers, but you get the gist of where I'm coming from. So it's really cool. Take a look at it. It's best to look at it when the markets have been open longer. I'm doing this about 2 hours after the markets reopened over rollover time, Las Vegas time. So it just kind of, I'm not getting enough data, right? But if I sit here and I'm doing at the money and go, hey, if I think we're coming all the way back down to the lows, right, and I want to sell this, okay, let's go to quick chart. If I sell for $46, right? Okay, and right now I have it on the ask. You could change it, just right click, go to price, do the bid, right? So I know if I sell this, it'll be 45 or whatever. And if it comes all the way back down to this level, that sell will now be 36. So hopefully that makes sense. Like I said, it's a really cool feature. Play around with it. Just want to bring it to your attention. If you're new to Nadex or want to check out, there's an affiliate link down below in the description. Check it out. It's a great platform, especially for smaller accounts. They are a futures type of account, so you don't have to deal with the day trading rules. You could trade Forex, crude oil, all the majors, right? The US tech, which would be the Nasdaq, Wall Street, which would be the Dow, things like that. So that's it for this video, but as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.